Hi, this is Stan with Ring.io. Today I'm going to show how to create a workflow in HubSpot for outbound call automation when the form has been filled out. To create workflows in HubSpot, a HubSpot professional account is required. Let's go ahead and get started with creating the workflow. In HubSpot, you're going to go ahead and click on Workflows at the top. Once you're on this page, you'll see a list of workflows. You can see I have a few workflows created. To create the new workflow, click Create Workflow on the upper right-hand corner. On this page, you can go ahead and select the type of workflow you would like to use. In this instance, I'm going to go ahead and use a contact-based workflow. Click Next. On this page, we're going to go ahead and set the enrollment trigger. Click Set Enrollment Trigger. And in this case, the trigger is going to be when a form is submitted. So on the right side, under Filter Type, click Form Submissions. On this list, you'll see the list of forms that were created. In this case, we're going to go ahead and use the form that I created in advance. Go ahead and click Apply Filter and save your changes. And how this workflow is going to work is when this form is submitted, we're going to tell it what to do. And that's going to be followed by an action. To create the action, go ahead and click on the plus icon. On the right side of the menu, we're going to go ahead and click Make a Call under Ring.io Power Dialer. On this field, we're going to go ahead and select which user is going to be placing the outbound call once the form has been submitted. Once your user has been selected, click Save. If the workflow looks good, simply click Review. We're going to go ahead and click on Yes, Enroll Existing Contacts, and click Turn On. Once a form has been submitted, you can see that the Ring.io web phone will automatically connect. Click Accept. It will then connect you to the dial party. And it's as simple as that.
And I'll get back to you at my earliest convenience. Have a great day.
If you have further questions on this, please contact the Ring.io support team. Thank you for watching.